Welcome to Work From Home Opportunities for You. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new Work From Home opportunity just for you. Hello and welcome to another Work From Home opportunity just for you. Today we're going to be talking about italki, and it's a way for you to get paid to help others learn a language. So if you're proficient in different language, whether it's English, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, whichever language that you're proficient on, you can actually get paid to help others learn that language. And the great thing about italki is that you can set your own time and your own pay rate. So what I've seen is that people have a sample pay rate and then their hourly pay rate. So you can have that time with those students and they can decide whether they want to take you as a teacher full time or not. I've seen people go all the way from like $12 an hour all the way to $26 to $30+ an hour. So you can easily make at least $200 per day if you are an expert in that particular language. So italki is the world's largest marketplace for online language teachers. If you want to become a teacher in italki, all you have to do is complete the teacher application, which is very easy. And once you're accepted, you will be able to set your courses and meet your new students. So why do you want to teach in italki? Because you can earn money online. As an italki teacher, you set your own prices and hours. You earn more by connecting with students on italki. You find more students. italki already has over 5 million students from around the world learning more than 130 languages. So there's definitely a possibility and availability for you. You can teach on your own schedule. You can teach as much or as little as you want. Students schedule lessons during your available times. You can do it anytime, anywhere. You can teach from anywhere. All you need is your computer, a headset, and an internet connection. So you can do this if you're a digital nomad or if you're a person that just simply likes to just work from home or anywhere. You can definitely do this. You can build your personal brand this way because you can build an online teaching reputation and demonstrate your teaching skills to students from around the world. You can take international payments. Since italki handles all the international payments so that you don't have to and you get paid in your own currency. You can manage students. italki helps you manage all your student records and lesson history, and you got safety and security. italki ensures that you get paid and helps you resolve any issues with any students. So here are some of the things that some teachers have said that teach Arabic, teach German, and teach English. And you can apply very easy on their website. I'll definitely leave the link right below in the description if you feel like this is something that will be right for you. You can go ahead and apply. But meanwhile, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.